Don't stop when you are tired, stop when you are done. Welcome young learners, let's begin our exciting math journey with the second question of this our worksheet 1 of chapter 4 DAB Maths class 8th, and our chapter name is direct tan inverse variation. So here our question number 2 is 5 bags of rice weight 150 kg. How many such bags of rice will weigh 900 kg? Here I make a table here. I write here number of bags is equal to 5. The weight of 5 bags is equal to 150 kg. I write it from here. Number of bags I write it from here. 5 bags of rice weigh 150 kg. I write from here number of bags, that is equal to 5 bags. So I write here number of bags is equal to 5. Weight of 5 bags of rice is equal to 150 kg. I write 150 here, and the weight of, we have to find here how many number of bags, rice bags will weigh this 900 kg. So here in this question, here this 900 is more than 150. So here this is increasing here. Here this 900 is more than 150, then it is increasing. And here if the weight of 5 bags is 150, then it is definitely that x is bigger than this 5 here. In simply it means that here number of bags is equal to 5, then the weight of 5 bags is equal to 150 kg. So here the weight is 900. So it is definitely, it means that here x is bigger than this 5. So if x is bigger than this 5, it means that it is also in the increasing order. It is also increasing, and here both are increasing. If both are increasing or both are decreasing, it means it is a case of direct variation. Here both are increasing quantities, here both quantities are increasing, so it is a case of direct variation. Here we'll let x as the number of bags of rice will weigh 900 kg, we'll let this as x here. So I write here it is a case of direct variation. Here weight of bags, here weight of bags increases, hence number of bags will also increase. Number of bags will also increases, and we know that the formula of direct variation is, and we know that therefore x upon y is equal to k constant. I write from here x upon y is equal to 5 upon 150, which is equal to x upon this 900. So by cross multiply, I write here it as 5 multiplied by this 900, which is equal to x multiplied by this 150. Now I find here the value of x from here, so I write it as x, this x is equal to 5 multiplied by 900 upon this 150. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, here 0, here this 0 cancel, this 0, 3 threes are 9, and here this 0 is here. X is equal to 30